Hello, hello, hello again, y'all. So I have an unboxing. Yeah, I've been all over the real again. Yeah, y'all. Ooh, this watch is cutting off my circulation. Okay. I have gained a bit of weight over the last year. Actually, that's not true. I've gained a little bit of weight over the last like 4 months. Um, I'm Yeah, I was doing really well for most of the year last year and actually lost a few pounds. Actually, I lost 13 pounds. Then December hit, then my birthday hit in February, and it's just been an eating fest. But, getting back on the good foot, my particular job, some of us are going back to the office, and I'm one of the people going back to the office, so I'm having to get dressed and whatnot again, and I'm noticing things don't fit the way they used to, including my watch. Yeah, it was cutting off circulation. The same watch last year, no problem. So I'm getting that in control. But anyways, that's not why I'm making this video. I'm making a video because I got a couple items in. One from The Real, and another one from, let me take my address off of this first. Oh, is this not going to come off? Oh, it's not cooperating. So I'll just cover it. And then one from, did I even cover it? Yeah, I did. And then one from the Style Makeover. I'll know the name better when I open it because this is actually a book on finding your signature style. It's more than just being fashionable. It's finding a style that really represents you and how you can stick to it when you shop, and so you don't end up doing things like what I do is buy things I know doggone well I'm never going to wear because it's not my style. It's not something I'm going to grab, but I may think that it looks cute, Anyways, I'll talk about that when I get there, but the first one, give me this box, and let's see here. I already undid it, and then yes. Oh! Couldn't believe it when I saw it. Well, I always say I can't believe it, but I'm so happy to find, high-end designer clothes in online. And I particularly like The Real because, they have the higher end ones. They have like Chanel, they have Gucci, they have, what else have I gotten? I've gotten Bottega Veneta, Gucci, Chanel. I've gotten Saint Laurent. Oh, all of them. And it's not just, I definitely have some older pieces, from like the early 2000s, early 2010s. But I've gotten some later pieces too. I have 2 pieces from Chanel 2019. I don't have anything from 2020 or 2021 yet, but I'll be keeping an eye out for it. But this piece is, I think this is from Balenciaga. I think. Oh my goodness. It's clothing, of course. Oh my goodness, it's beautiful. It's a crop jacket. Oh! Oh my goodness. Oh, and it's a beautiful navy. Okay, so it is Balenciaga. And it's a beautiful cropped jacket. Ooh, before I get excited, let me make sure this bad boy fits before I mess around and get embarrassed. My arm fits well. There's room. Oh, that's a good sign. Oh, okay. As y'all know, or if you've watched some of my other videos, I'm a 22-24. So, ooh, y'all. Oh, y'all not gonna be able to tell me nothing. Oh my goodness. Let me put on my mask. Yeah, I'm not comfortable showing my face, y'all. So I just came in from work. So I can go ahead and just put this mask on. I can't believe I still have my sunglasses on. So y'all can see a little bit better. Oh! Ah! I love it. Oh, it's beautiful. Do you guys see the... And you know why I was pretty sure I knew I was going to love this? I have a suit jacket, just a normal suit jacket that has the same, you know, little embellishments on the shoulder, similar V, but it's not this nice thick wool material. And let's see. So there's a button on the inside. Let me see if I can button it. Not that I need to, because there's plenty of things I don't button. So I ain't too worried about that. Is this gonna button? I don't want to bust anything. Oh no, I'm not gonna mess with that. But let's see if it buttons over here. Oh, yep, it does. Oh, y'all, you're not gonna be able to tell me nothing. Hopefully the back looks good. Walk forward some. Oh, I'm very happy. Oh my gosh, I love it. I absolutely love it. I almost don't want to take it off, except it's not winter, it's summertime. But this is like a forever piece. You know what I mean? Absolutely a forever piece. Oh, look at that. Love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. And I've noticed with certain crops, depending on where it hits, it sort of gives me a waist too. I have a similar, it's actually not quite this cropped, it's a little bit lower. Oh no, I think this looks pretty cute. Yeah? Y'all see? I'm wearing a skirt. But, so you can tell it's navy because I'm wearing a black dress. Not a skirt, I'm wearing a dress. Why did I say skirt, Lord? So this is navy. And I don't know if I can get a close up on the details. It's weird, I'm putting my boob into the camera. Well, let me take it off. Probably easier to show you details taking it off. Oh, I love it. Yay. Alrighty. That is a definite win. Woohoo. Okay, let's see. So it's a size 50. So my other plus size ladies. Balenciaga, yeah, size 50. Trying to see if I can find out what the materials are. That's how to wash it. Let's see here. This is wool. It's 80% wool, 20% polyamide, and the interior is 100%, it says Cupuro. Either way, this is mine. I love it. Oh my goodness, it's beautiful. Okay, yeah, that's right, details. So this is the, oh, let me see, I don't know if that's gonna clear up. It says Balenciaga, the top there. It's gonna, there we go. Maybe I was blocking the light. So that's what the buttons look like. And this is the shoulder. More buttons. And it's lined. Oh, this is absolutely beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Woohoo! Yay! All right, so that's number one. Alrighty. And then number two is this style makeover. I'm butchering the name. I'm gonna get it right when I open it. Yay! Style Therapy. That's what it's called. Style Therapy. Lauren Messiah. That's her name. Messiah. And she has a YouTube channel. I've been following her channel for a few years now. But she has this new book out. And what does it say? 30 Days to Your Signature Style. And I do think I have a style. It's not as tight. It's not as streamlined as I want it. Because I still find myself buying crap that I'm like, oh, it's so cute. But then I'm never going to grab it because it's just not, it's not how I feel. I dress often by how I feel. Not meaning on my good days I dress better than my bad days or whatever, but the way the clothes feel on me versus just the way they look on me. You know what I mean? So she had, I guess you could say, a test group of participants where she sent them the book and they went through the 30 days. There's different stages where let me just do this. Because this is what got me. The fact that, here we go. So here's are the different weeks and what you have to do in each of the weeks. And what got me was so far it's been all ladies. And the ladies that have done it so far, there's been 4 where she's shown them. I believe the fifth one just went up. So anyways, these ladies are all various working women or stay-at-home moms, but they're just regular, everyday folks. Nobody with a stylist. And it seemed to really help them. There was one lady I really connected with. She's a self-described nerd, but she's also a clothing designer. She actually works for, I don't know, some big company like American Apparel or something like that. And she makes their patterns and does something else. I'm butchering it, but I think her episode is episode 4. Either 3 or 4. Anyways, I watch all the ladies who've done it so far, and I've been impressed, so I decided I'm going to get the book, and I'm going to try it. So I'm going to start this next month. I don't know yet whether or not I'm going to make videos about it, but I'm looking forward to it. Oh, yeah. Oh, look, there's even a place where you put virtual shopping images. That'll be easy to do, because I'm always on there. Oh, yeah. It's different things you have to fill in. Thinking about, what does it say? Look back at so I think one of the things is you take selfies for a week. So you just put on what you would like to usually wear, take selfies of yourself for a week, and then you do some kind of self-reflection. Yeah. Take the selfies and you do some self-reflection on, let's see, describing your current style. Let's see, how well did the clothes fit? How comfortable were you in the clothes? What message was your overall appearance sending? All those things I think are important. And so, yeah, I'm going to try this out. So, yeah, I know I bought some before doing it, but I bought this. But this is my style. I'm going to grab this all the time. You see how enthusiastic I am about this? I'm going to wear this bad boy all the time. And that's something else I'm starting to learn about myself. My enthusiasm is pretty, correlated to how frequently I'll likely wear the outfit. Well, actually, no, that's not true, because I bought this thinking like, it'll be just a nice little comfy thing. But I love it. I love this dress. It's so comfortable. It's by Eileen Fisher. Just a little V, not too deep. Throw it on. Got pockets. I'm good to go. So anyhow, that was it. That's all I have. I rambled a little bit, but this is what I got. And I'll see how this goes. I'm going to start at June 1st. I'm just going to start after this month has gone through, because I work for a university and, graduation time and is busy right now. So anyways, until my next one, actually there's going to be another unboxing, because no joke, I bought this, got off the website, then when it hadn't shipped out. And so I'm like, wait a minute, it's been 2 days, why hasn't it shipped? Went back on the website to check, found something else, y'all. So I can't even go on there. No, I'm really cheap though, so it has to be like a couple $100, or at least like 80-90% off. But yeah, let me just tell you this. It was like a $4,000 Chanel dress, and they had it for $420 something, and it was 20% off. Child, please, yeah. Okay, y'all, until next time, bye. Thanks for watching.